Good morning, Mom and Sir. So, magandang araw po sa lahat. And unang-una sa lahat, I would like to say thank God. Thank you, Lord, for the good health for me and my family. And also, as for today, ang content natin ngayon is I would like to introduce one of my pinakamaganda at madaming sales na power bank. So this power bank is absolutely from Japan. So as we have known, Japan is number one. Number one talaga yung Japan. Naalala ko nga isang video, mga ma'am, sir. Mga bossing, no? Boss, sir. Naalala ko isang video ng, it was Tokyo, Japan. So, I remember that yung maliit lang na square na kwarto na 6 inches, 6 feet rather, and 3 feet long, something like that, it actually worth a fortune. Isipin nyo lang, 2,300 yung isang buong magdamag lang. 2,300. So Japan is one of the, it's not a large country, but it's absolutely mayamang country. Okay, Japan. And ito yung ipapakilala ko sa inyo, i-introduce ko sa inyo. Ito yung tinatawag nating OraShare. So this is coming from Japan, and meron itong 10,000 ohms para charging. And you know guys, ang maganda nito, meron na tong cable. May sarili siyang cable. May cable siya sa tinatawag nating C-type, at meron din siyang cable for the Android type. I mean, sorry, my bad. Meron siyang C-type rather, and meron din siyang parang sa iPhone. So, yun yung maganda dito. And, remember this guys, hindi siya madalang maglubat. Talagang original guys. And I've been using this for how many years? And wala pa akong return nito. Ibig sabihin, I don't have any returns. Magandang klase, number 1. So, ito yung ini-introduce ko sa inyo kasi alam ko, hindi ako ipapahiya. And, ma'am, sir, this is, kumbaga, ito pa ang isipin nyo. Maliban sa pagiging maganda niya na power bank, isa din to sa mga top seller sa Japan, si OraShare. Kung hindi nyo lang alam, si OraShare yung, anong tawag din yung sister company ng one of the largest, what was that? Mitsubishi brand ng Japan. So, Mitsubishi is a car brand, pero si OraShare, ano niya yan, kumbaga, anak niya to, kumbaga, apo na siguro, parang ganyan. So, ma'am, sir, wag na kayong mag-atubili. Buy this one, it's only for 3,000 pesos. Bakit ka mo mahal? Kasi, I will going to guarantee you, mabisa, maganda, magaling, the best. Number 1. Yan po for today. Yan po for today. Ang nalalaman nyo at nakukuha nyo sa akin. Marami pa tayo bukas. So, I would like to say, over now.